it's that time again. As per usual, you will collectively decide who will be this week's MFP most fun person, not to be confused with MFP, my favorite pizza, which would be my mom. Okay. The picture that gets the loudest applause will win, and the winner will get to stand on the podium. Okay, number one, applaud if you'd like strawberry milkshake to win.
Yeah, all right.
Just great. Number two, ice cream. Now that's what you call catching air. Right? Is that what you call it, catching air?
Yeah, it's called catching air, old man.
I gotta stop letting you into this place. And number three, dry oatmeal. Boo.
I was actually having a very fun dream in this picture.
What was a dream?
I dreamt I took a picture of myself having a dream.
Huh? And finally, picture number four, cotton candy. Wow! Oh, we have a winner! Cotton candy is this week's MFP, most fun person.
Thank you very much.
Here's your oven fuel, Ma. Onion. What can I get you guys? I noticed your menu was closed.
We'll have one MFP award, please.
Oh, look at that. You think you're fun enough?
We are. Onion's so fun, I sometimes call him Funyun.
And then I usually thank him afterwards, but in a really fun way.
Oh, well, bring in a photo next week to prove how fun you are, and maybe you can win.
We're going to become the MFP, most fun person.
Zuh.
What?
I was making it plural, person zuh.
Then wouldn't that be people?
Oh yeah, people zuh.
Well, you guys, ready to order yet?